Time to talk about Algorand here on the channel. Now you can see the SEC's Gensler called ALGO a great technology in 2019, and in April of 2023 he deemed it a security. So, but guys, as of yesterday, it looks like Gary Gensler is probably on his way out as SEC chair, as he said he was proud to serve as SEC chair and defends his approach to crypto regulation, guys. So. This is probably why we see Algorand pumping at the moment, and this is a weekly chart, guys. But you know, this started pumping before Gary Gensler, had his little farewell speech yesterday. So Algorand is just it's a good coin, good token to hold, good project. And it's bound to pump, especially when you get good news like Gary Gensler is on his way out. So, yeah, the past couple of weeks have been very nice, and we're actually trading at highs or levels, we can say, since like the beginning of June. We haven't seen these levels since beginning of June, so I can say. So yeah, guys, this is looking good. About 19.8 cents is going to be the next resistance here. As you can see, it was resistance all through April and up to beginning of June. We couldn't, bounce through it. So that's the next resistance. And then 23.5 cents, and then almost 28 cents up here. As you can see, it was resistance back in March of this year. Now, Algorand, basically, it's a token with about 10 billion in the max supply. 82% of that is out. So that's not too bad. That's nice to see that most of the tokens are out, so it can't be really diluted too much. So yeah, this is what I like to see. 10 billion or less, in my opinion, is a good coin. So Algorand's all-time high previously was about $3.56 in 2019. So I wasn't in crypto at the time. I was in 2021. But Algorand got pretty close to that. It's probably one of the few coins that didn't make its all-time high, though, previously in the last bull run. Look at Bitcoin here. You can see that basically this is the 4-hour chart. We are making kind of a flag here, a bull flag. And I've taken the length of the pole here. And on the 4-hour chart, the target is up here at about $101,500 for Bitcoin. Now, remember, we did have a target the other day from this bigger bull flag that we had, basically forming since March. As you can see here, those yellow lines. Now, that breakout target, like I said, it's up here at $105,000. So, in the short term, looks like, target is about $101,500. And eventually, guys, we probably will reach this 105,000 here. So anyways, let's take a quick look at the Google Trends. Bitcoin as a search term, the highest we've seen in like 2 or 3 years, guys. Crypto also is like the highest we've seen in about 2 years as well. So nice to see. You can also see the regions and the countries that are searching for Bitcoin and crypto. If you take a look at this yourself. And yeah, guys, I mean, it's something that's just interesting to see. Maybe you'll see your country there, actually. Now, if we take a quick look at the monthly returns for Bitcoin, November right now is 26% up, and we're only halfway through. October, only 10%. September was 7%. I think we had a pretty tame October, and that's just because, September was our biggest green month. So I think we saved a little bit of firepower for November and December. Like I said, guys, I think we're going to have 30 or 40% probably this month. And December could be the same, guys. Now, if we take a quick look at the dominance, it looks like we're making lower highs here, although we are starting to get another higher high here. We just have to wait and see what happens here. Hopefully it doesn't go higher than these two highs over here, though. Hopefully this is just a small bounce before another retrace here. But yeah, guys, this is hourly time frame, and it's not a very high time frame. So it's a little bit lower reliability than if we're looking on the daily or the weekly. So anyways, keep that in mind. Now, if we take a quick look at the economic calendar, Today was kind of a mixed bag. New York Empire State Manufacturing, though, was excellent. Excellent. But core retail sales, not good, guys. So anyways, we have to wait and see what happens, with the interest rate cut. And speaking of the interest rate cut, 62% chance that we're going to get a quarter-point cut. But guys, I think this is almost 50-50, really, in my opinion. It's only 12% from a 50-50 right now. So we have to wait and see, guys. Still pretty far out. December 18th is the date, so it's more than a month out. And we still have a lot of economic data coming out before that time, guys. Now, take a quick look at altcoin season. Let me update this and see if it updates. Yeah, it's going down, guys, to 29. And that's because that dominance, guys, I did say, all depends on this dominance. So if we go back and we take a look, guys, this bounce is causing, this to go down. So not good. But yeah, 29 right now. It looks like we're closer to Bitcoin season than altcoin season. But like I said, guys, once that dominance goes down, we probably break above about 50. I think we're going to zoom up to 75 and beyond for altcoins. Now, if you take a quick look here at Fear and Greed, it did drop from yesterday. It's 80 now. I do like to see that because we were getting a little bit too greedy, and we're still in extreme greed right now. So let's hope we can go down, because you always expect some, crash in the market if people are too greedy, guys. So taking a look at crypto bubbles, on the day, looks like most everything is in red. There are a few big, bouncers, we can say, or a few big, candles, green candles, green bubbles here, today. But yeah, Algorand, ADA, XRP, HBAR. I think most of these are probably affected by Gary Gensler and SEC, because, he said that Algorand was a security. So now that he's on his way out, yeah, they're going to have a big bounce here. Same with XRP. He said XRP is security. So yeah, I think once he's out, you're going to see probably 100% gains, on XRP or ALGO, even HBAR. I think HBAR was also deemed a security. So yeah, you're going to see just massive gains once he's officially gone and he's announced it. Now, if we go to Coinando, you can take a look here where if you type in Algorand or ALGO, you will find where you can stake your ALGO. Now, remember, guys, I recommend only staking for short terms, especially now. And, you don't want to get locked up in something where you can't sell and you miss your target price that you want to sell, guys. So probably a good thing to look at flexible staking and or maybe like 30 days. But guys, 90 days, 120 days, it's really too far out to tell what the market will do. So I don't recommend that, but it's not financial. You can do what you want. You can stake as long as you want, guys. But yeah, that's just my opinion. Guys, if you like this video about Algorand here and Bitcoin, give it a thumbs up and share this with your friends. And yeah, guys, thanks for supporting the channel. It looks like we finally reached 500 subscribers here on the channel. And yeah, I just want to thank you all for your support.